throw.
Okay. Ow.
Hit you so hard it knocked your shit out. I could have a montage of me throwing shit. I can't fucking do it. I can't. So that's called a right angle.
I fucking hate that map.
I pray that we never have to play that map ever again.
2, 1.
My favorite mobile game is Raid Shadow Legends.
Oh my gosh. Speaking of Raid Shadow Legends.
Nope.
I'm just gonna borrow this real quick. Okay. Hey, is it okay if I borrow this?
July. Like,
Wait a
I
second.
helped you with that.
Wait, yeah,
I
that
hit
was
him
a total
towards
combo.
you.
Wait,
I
I
hit
need
him
to calm
towards you.
down.
Okay.
Oh, what? What?
You just killed
Wait,
my momentum.
Huh? No, wait, no. Does nobody want to talk? He just caught my mine out of mid-air.
Wait, I caught that mine? I thought I...
Yeah, no, I threw that at you and you grabbed it out of mid-air.
How do you upgrade shit? I'm so confused.
You have to level up to get stuff.
I'm level 2. How do I upgrade?
You
have to be,
haven't
like,
unlocked the
level 3.
upgrade.
What? Then why have a level 2 exist?
Because you
Because
start
get
at
other
level
things.
1.
But why not make it harder to get to level 2 and just have it at level 2?
Because level 2 gives you, like, the color brown.
Yeah, that's the important thing.
Because that's my
You
favorite
get colors.
color. You get colors for character. Worth it. Always worth it. Hey, let me just borrow that. Goes over to your island. Ow. Just walks over here and punches me and that's it. Runs away. It's like my bully.
I gotta start a movement.
Like a bully in elementary school. Walks over
Just
there,
walks
punches
over.
and leaves. Doesn't say anything either. That's all I want. You can't have that.
Who can't have what?
Oh, my toes were on it. Oh.
Immediately jumps on it.
Ouch. We both go back. We did it again. Okay.
No, I didn't mean
That's
to
a
pick that up.
big
I am
no-no.
sorry.
Big no-no.
I am sorry.
Okay,
I am
throwing it
sorry.
off the edge.
Do we want to clean up the map a bit?
No, I'm good.
Get those shits out.
Get it out of here,
Those
dude.
shits
Why
outta
does it
here.
keep spawning? Get it out of here. Get that out of here. Why does it keep spawning on this thing? What is this yellow fucking garbage over here? Oof.
I swear
No,
to God.
I want
if
one
I
thing
get-
and one thing only. No, I want it. Yes. Oh. No. Come on. No, give it to me. Stop, Bansheee. Yes.
Oh shit!
Yes! It paid off! It paid off so well! All I want. That's all I want. That's all I want. That's all I want.
Stop throwing
That's
things
all
at me! I
I
swear
want.
to God! Stop throwing things at me! Who's the freaking girl in gold armor?
It may or may not be me.
Nope. Okay. Goodbye.
Stop throwing shit at me! I swear to God!
You really suck at
this.
This is his tactic. And it somehow almost works.
Hey, only throw it!
That's throw it. I throw it with my voice.
What are you? Are you the
And you can't make the rules for a little game I made up. Hey.
I'm gonna have to fast forward this in the video.
No!
No,
I
that's it.
I had no uppercut. GG's. I
Alright.
will win like that. I will. Oh, Trent, you hear that? Dot. That sounded like the beginning of Rasputin. Get the bomb. Just finish it. Just get the bomb.
That was one punch and he got launched across half the map.
Are you One Punch Man? What the fuck was that?
Oh, a bomb. Isn't that nice? Oh, hey, give it back. Give it back. Thanks.
The right angle is so great.
Yes.
You back off.
That's what I thought, Maverick. That's what I thought. Hey, who wants a bomb in their face?
Yeah, that's what you get, Throbby! That's what you get for following me everywhere! And now you get the smoke! Hey, careful, there's a void there. That's what you get for camping! Unless you're on your phone.
Disturbing, I wasn't camping!
You were just not disturbing anyone.
Yeah, I was peaceful!
Honestly, I do the same thing. I just
Yeah, I know,
watch
why
you
do you
guys.
think I keep following you?
Oh, because you want to hang out over here. Oh, okay, wait. Okay, that's fine.
I want a weapon.
Do you want to come hang
I'll
out?
just
Okay, yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
Oh, this is nice. Oh, look at them go. We're being attacked!
What?
Alright, that's very nice. That's so nice.
Hey, whoa, you were hitting them.
My bad, I was trying to pick it up. Yes!
Sorry.
How does he actually come right now? The wasted man.
Yes! I did it!
Yes!
Yes!
Oh, how did that happen?
What the fuck?
GG.
I did it! Oh
Can we
my
get a
gosh,
pop
5
in the
KOs!
He's got a weapon!
He's aiming it at you!
Get up! Officer down!
No, 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 no. Nope. Nope. No.
Me blue.
How did that happen? Freaking. Oof!
Oh,
Ouch.
bro.
That was a chonker of a hit. Bye bye. I jumped into that! What? I picked up the bomb! Wait!
You do that all the time. You just catch it out of midair.
You see that throw? Oh. That's it. No.
Come on, mate. Come here. I just want to give you a kiss.
I don't want a little smooch, mate.
I want to smooch you. Come here. No, you stop it. No, you stop that.
Yes!
You stop that.
No! I need one more.
Come on. Oh, yo, can we do
Dang it.
2v2s? We can do 2v2s.
Teams. Oh my gosh.
Well, whoever got me
Wait,
on their
wait,
team's
wait,
gonna
wait, wait,
lose.
wait, wait, guys. What's the number call? What's the number for the match?
4-3-3-1-0.
4-2-3-1-1-0.
You're dumb. 4-3-3-1-0. 4-2-2-2-3-1.
Drive by one doesn't hit me though. No, it doesn't. I just went right through it.
What?
Every time you die, you go, what? Or how? Just say oops.
Great work, Banshee. You get a gold star. Now let's go look at those clips.
What? What?
Alright.
What? 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 Wait, what?
Bye, man.
Yeah, you got him. You got him.
Dude, honestly, I don't think I need to pick up a gun.
I was facing the wrong way.
Worth it. I hit both of you this time. That was. Oh, it actually was worth it. I was kidding. Hey, we were both alive with 2 stock. With 2 stock.
Look at that!
I got 4 KOs. Let's go.
Anybody that's on my team's automatically loses.
Honestly, I
Oh
want
my
to take
god!
that bet.
I am 7x.
Get fucked. Get absolutely. Get
Oh
fucked.
fuck!
I'm gonna get a 6K this game. I need 2 more.
It's like first death. What are you guys doing?
Mine too, just before.
You haven't gotten a single kill, map.
Shut up.
I've literally got every
Be
kill. I'm
scary
serious.
right now. Oh fuck! That's it.
I got the 6K with a double kill at the end. Maverick. Okay,
look,
no.
you did,
Can we? No.
football
Wait. Stop for a sec. Can we go back into the replay and hear how Maverick said nobody wins when they're on my team and how I just completely carried?
Wait.
No, play the clip. Play the clip. Play the
I gotta
clip.
say something. Anybody that's on my team's a bot automatically loses.
Now I'm playing handball, buddy. Oh, dang it.
Are you? You suck. You suck.
You know what? I'm still playing handball. Hey, it's Robbie. Robbie,
Yeah,
I'm playing handball.
Oh shit!
That was so funny. You played handball right there.